You're watching Theme Park Worldwide, where I'm here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay in Florida, ready for a ride on Montu. Sun is shining. Montu's recently had a full track repaint. It looks very bright. Yeah, they've redone the dark blue track, bright yellow support, and this is an absolute beast. I'm starting to climb the lift hill on this B&M inverted roller coaster, and Bolliger and Mabillard do some great rides, and this is one of their best in my opinion. As you can see, beautiful scenery and spectacular views as we're climbing up the 150 foot tall lift hill. Throughout this ride, we're going to experience 7 different inversions. My personal favourite is the bat wing on this ride. I'll let you know when we're going through that. There is a trim break just before it, but you don't feel it too much. The bat wing is still really intense, and I also think the final corkscrew is really cool on here as well. But I love the whole experience. It's Montu. Here we are at the top of the lift. Join me. Let's ride. Here we go. Woo! Montu. Way! Oh, oh yeah. Brake run, slow it down a little bit. Ready for round 2, here we go. Woo! Way! Woo! Oh. Oh. What a great ride. Keeps the speed nice. Into that corkscrew. Oh yes. Woo! Oh. Oh. Beautiful. Nice final corkscrew on the ride there. Montu at Busch Gardens. What an absolutely spectacular ride. Really nice with the repaint as well. Looks really fresh. Absolutely epic. The G-force, the inversions on there, but the bat wing steals the show, and it's a back row ride, this one, folks. Thanks for joining me in another Rider Camp POV, and get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.